Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, mag-ulit sa panibagong video kung saan nalaroin ko yung Fuel for Flesh. Wala pa akong idea sa game na to, so nalaroin ko na siya. Ano pa hinihintay natin? So it's the time to play this game! I started this job around 7 months ago. Working the night shift never really bothered me. If anything, I would just doze off and rest easy. Nothing interesting really ever happened, like at all, until one fateful week. My days of night shifts started on Monday, just like any other. Monday. Ang creepy naman ng intro. So, enter the gas. Enter Stratogas. Kaya ito ba yung ito ba yung pangalan ng shop? Stratogas. How to open? E? Oh, E. Switch the store. Sign open. Okay. Wow, angas. So ano pala siya? Game siya na grocery or tayo ba magtitinda? I don't know. Boy, sara. Close. Oh, nasa labas pala. Akala ko ito yung pinto. Pambira. So, yung first customer. Hi sir, libre po ang mga ilang paninda pag first customer ka namin. Talk. Can I help you? No, thanks. I'm all good. Thanks for asking, I guess. Okay. Welcome. Oh, yung pang punch. Yung panuntok ha, yung pang ano mismo ng paninda. Oh, di ko pwede grab. Okay, look, interact, zoom. Okay, zoom. Okay, look. Okay, yung interact, tas zoom. Employees only. So dito, oh, hindi yung fuse box. So, map. Place. Employee of the month, Joe B. Who the heck is that? Joe B? Joe Biden? Ano to? Ba't parang hindi siya nalinis na ilang taon? So, isa tayo dyan. What the heck is this? Oh, yung backyard. Backyard ng store, I guess. May naghihintay ata yung ano natin doon. May ship siya. So, papunch na natin. Grab. Scan. Your total is $3.49, sir. Here you go, brother. Nice, brother. Have a good one. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Please. So, what do we have here? Doritos. Tama ba? Stock shelves, 0. Okay, 0.5. So, mag-i-stock tayo. Saan to? Wait for a customer to check out. Di ba natin... Oh. Di ba natin ito pwede i-drop? Hi. Can I help you? Yeah, man. Just trying to find something to energize myself. You know, I'm trying to stock up on energy drinks to help me get my pump in. Okay. Oh, what a nice hair. You have a good hair. Ito, dito yung energy drink, sir. Sir, dito, sir. Dito siya, mga chichirya yan, hindi yan energy drink. Kailan ka ba pinanganak? Kahapon lang, sir. Okay. Oh, bumili pala siya ng chichirya. Onion rings. Great. Your total is $2.98. Here you go, dude. Thanks, dude. Goodbye. Ingat sa biyahe. Paninda. Okay. So, wala na bang customer dyan? Tumal ng araw ngayon, Clean trash. I remember putting the broom in the storage room. Okay. Nandito yun. Bang! Gotcha. Ito, clean. Nilinis ko kanina, hindi malinis eh. Ngayon pa lang pala, pagtaos mag-stock ng ng mga paninda. So, kailang customer na tayo? Dalawa? Tapos, mag-off na tayo sa work. Ganun ba yung kabilis? Wala kasama yun. May 3 pa, dalawa na lang. So, kinat ko kasi nag-charge ako. Empty the trash can and take it out to dumpster. Okay? Parang pag may gantong sound din, no, alam mong malapit ka sa may sa may refrigerator. Okay, ito. Ito yung sasabi niya. Doon pala sa labas. Okay. Okay, wala bang magpapakita dyan? Close the store. Oh. Close the freaking store. Oh, akala ko may eh. So, ito yung sakyan natin. Okay, tapos ang day 1. So, day 2. 1 day down. Just 4 more to go. I thought, little did I know Monday seemed to be the last day that everything seemed normal. Then, nakakagulat lagi yung intro ang putik. Tuesday. And, enter. Okay. Open na. Ayun na. Bro, paano nagkakabasura kung nilalak mo yung store? Like, sabihin natin, di maiwasan yung dumi. Di maiwasan yung dumi. Pero, di maiwasan yung mga dumi o alikabok. Pero yung mga gantong basura, like parang may kumakain o tambakan. Like, bro, ano yan? Puro plastic. May ngumangata ba dito sa loob? Hi, can I help you? It's been a while since I eaten. Do you even feel like you're being watched? No. Okay. Wag ba kita tignan? Or... Okay. Do your own thing. And... I'ma do my own thing. Those... Okay. Ito siya. Ito pala siya. Ito siya pupunta ng cashier. Pinakatuktok yung isa. So, nandito na siya. Scan 3 items. Okay. Grab. Oyos! Saan to? Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Bro, monster ba yan? Tama ba? Your total is $4.25, sir. I can't help but feel like I'm being stalked. Oh, so di ako yung tinutukoy mo kanina. Do you ever feel that way? Yes. No. Maybe I need to see a psychiatrist. Maybe. You should have to. Bakit? Napaparanoid ka na ba? Okay guys, wait lang. Hanapin ko yung lagayan nito. Oh, okay. Lock natin. So, wait na lang tayo ng... Oh, clean trash. Akala mag-wait na lang ng customer. Ba't ang bilis? Empty that trash can and take it out to the dumpster. Okay. Buhay na ba natin? Mabigat. Complete. What the flapjacks is that? Investigate the noise. Lang, ingin ng tao sa labas. Investigate the noise. I should go out without getting the flashlight from the storage room. Okay. So, where's the freaking flashlight? Oh, ito. Oh, so mag-investigate tayo dito. Bro, ang creepy. Ito ang creepy. Bro, pagtrabahuin mo na ako lahat-lahat, iutos mo na sa akin, wag lang yung gantong bagay. Okay, investigate natin kahit anong mangyari. Babanda yung sumisigaw. Saan ka ba? Ito banda. Banda. Ito ba? Bro, kinakabahan ako. Oh, bro. Hinabol niya ba ako? Bro, takbo, takbo. Hindi ka alam sa pabalikin ng store. Stranger, hello? Ah! What the heck? Hello? Huh? I need to check out, please. Oh, sorry. I must have those dust off. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Your total is $4.76, ma'am. Here you go. Thank you. Panaginip lang ba yun? What the heck? Close the shop. Okay. Okay. Sakin tayo agad. Game. Panaginip lang ba yun? Or ngayon nanginginig ako pambira. I can't explain what I experienced this night. When I woke up at the counter, it really did feel like it was all just a dream. See? So panaginip nga lang or ewan. Hindi ko alam. Wednesday. Ang creepy talaga nung intro. Oh, hindi pa naka-open yung shop. May tunog na agad. So, mag-stock tayo ng shelves. Again. Like, paano ito nauubos? So, ito yung flashlight. So, 8 yung i-stock natin. Oh, wait lang. Wait to customer to check out. 8. Wait lang. May cashier, di ba? Pero, ba't tayo lang, no? Wait lang. Tanongin natin siya. Kuya, ba't kami lang yung nagtatrabaho dito? Can I help you? I'm not looking for pills. Bro, what? What kind of pills? Yung pampalaki ba ng or sleeping pills? Stop accusing me. Bro, what the heck? Tutulungan ka na nga eh. So, may 3 pa. Hindi, 4. Oh, 3. Oh! What the heck, bro? Ang bihirang yan. Dito natin siya nakita eh. Wait lang. Kasi nga to. Akala ko pantutuli. I thought you were not here to buy pills. I don't even remember selling these pills here. What? You have false memory. 2, I found them at the back of the store. And 3, they have price tag. I would be careful with this. Anyways, your total is $5.34. Fine, take my money. Okay? Thank you. Oh! Nagpaparamdam siya. Tayo ba yung gumamit ng pills or what? Okay, may dalawa pang ano. Oh! Bira. I said, stop showing yourself, bro. Di man kita kailangan eh. Okay, sana kung may bibigay kang ayuda. So, wala. Di siya magpapakita. O, say, kausapin natin siya. Bro, nakikita mo ba yung nakikita ko? Can I help you? I don't need anything, bro. Thanks for asking, though. Okay. Nice to meet you, bro. In the trash. Okay. Bro! Stop showing yourself. Di kita kailangan. Oh, gulat ako. Kala ko siya yun. So, hi. Did you find everything okay? Yeah, man. I did. Okay. Okay. Let me grab this. Your total is $3.94, sir. Here's the money. I just thought you should know that I think I heard some rustling from the woods when I came in. Be careful on your way out. Thanks, I'll be careful. Okay. Linisin natin to. Ako. Dito tayo sa my corner. Capture complete. Close natin yung top. Okay. So, alis na tayo dito sa freaking... Okay. Bro. I thought maybe I was just paranoid and seeing things right now. I thought I must have been hallucinating up to the point seeing the thing by my car seemed real. What? I wasn't sure what was happening, but I knew I needed to get some help soon. Luckily, I had just 2 more days before my work week was over. Okay. So part-time job lang ba? Thursday. Okay. So, don't dare show yourself. Nautal na ako ah. Don't you dare show yourself, bro. Na. So, night shift ka ba dito? Let me ask him. Her or him? Her. Can I help you? Oh, matanda. My grandson looks just like you. That's great, Granny. I'm happy you think so. Okay. Mukha ko raw yung apo niya. Ilan pa? So, hindi na nagpapakita yung ano. Ewan ko kung nakainom na ng gamot eh. So, anin na natin siya. 1, 2, 3. Your total is $3.65. Granny. You guys sure do you have good prices here? Only the best. I'll be sure to tell my grandkids to stop here. Thank you. Salamat sa recommendation. Ni-recommend mo yung store namin sa mga apo mo. And I hope na bumili sila sa amin kasi ang tumal. 1 to 2 customers lang ata yung papasok dito sa store na to. Ingat, Granny. So, saan tong isang to? I don't know how Joe. Okay. Ah! Balik ko lang to. Oh! Ay, yeah. Kita mo ba yun? Joe Biden? Bro. Hey, do you need any help with anything? Do you need any help for anything, bro? Do you need help with anything? I'm trying to get some salty chips. Do you need help with that? Nope. Abay, tama mo ah. Kasi dito may nagkakalat. Taragis na yan. Hindi pinatawad pati pati sa counter. Pinatos. Walang patawad. Okay? Ready na ako, bro. Tayo na lang natin siya to check out. Uy! Oh! Salt suckers? Salt. Bro. Okay. See, nakita nyo. Naumula yung mata niya. Nagbentahan siya ng balot na may kakaibang asin. Tapos, puro siya dugo. I think, that's a whole lot of salty chips, sir. I like them. Your total is $4.24. Yummy. Yummy. Salty. Chips. Yum. Okay. Okay. Take the dumpster. Okay, i-close na natin. So, I hope wala na magpakita. Okay. I hope wala magpakita dito. Bro, takbo! Pasok! Ah! I think there's the really solidified it to me that what I was seeing had to have been real. The thing seemed to be watching me, stalking me even. So, yung the thing, the thing is a Fantastic Four. Siya naman black and puro siya dugo. I see it in the corners of my vision, and then when I look, it's gone. Yeah, for real. Just one more day, that's all I could keep telling myself. Okay, tas mag-rest day na tayo. Ang rest day natin is a psychiatrist. Wala eh. Nababalo na, napaparanoid tayo eh. Wala. Wait lang. 10 shelf to stock. Joe on the day job needs to put in some work. Oo nga, si Joe, yung employee of the month, si Joe B, di niya kaya gawin yun. Like, bro. Oh, may customer. So, wala sana. I hope wala magpapakita. Hey, bro. Do you need any help? Do you need help with anything? Nah, dude. You know, my girlfriend just dumped me. We were together for like 2 years, man. Sam? Yeah, bro. I thought she was like the love of my life. I mean, she was amazing. Blah, 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 blah. Oh. Okay. You can't bother me anymore, bro. I'm doing my thing. And you can't bother me, bro. Oh. No. Hindi tayo matatakot. This is try not scared, bro. Okay, sa counter na ba siya? Ay, hindi pa. So, bro, I'm living in my own life. I'm living my own life, bro. Can't bother me. You're just a entity, I guess. Your total is $3.76, sir. You know, I would always make my girlfriend buy snacks for me if she didn't leave me. Okay. Are you going to pay or no? Oh, yeah. Alright, thanks. So my 4 pa. So I think ito yung safe zone. I think kasi di nakapasok yung halimaw dito like isang beses lang. Like ito touch lang tayo like touch. Ganon. I'm gonna end this man's whole career in the trash, okay? 4 pa. 3. Saan yun? Oh, here you are. There you are. Do you need any help with anything? No, man. I don't need anything. Okay. Mukha mo si Bob Marley. Oh, di ba? Hindi natin pwede ano. Okay, nakaready na ako, boss. 1, 2, 3. Your total is $4.39, sir. Sure thing, man. Glad to do business with ya, man. Yeah, man. Thank you, man. Huwag muna ako iwan. Dito ka lang muna. Pambira. Ba't di mo kasi agad itapon? What the? Uy! Oh! Bro, wag! See? Nakadroga siya. What the? Go, run. Paano yung Optimus Prime? Plumber, I need to get out of here. Okay. Okay. Run to your car and leave. Uh-oh. Pasok! Pasok! I don't think I've ever driven faster than I did that night. Nanginginig ako. I texted my boss that I quit the next morning. To this day, I can't explain what I experienced that week. I don't think I really wanted to understand. I just wanted it to end. Okay. So, Fuel for Flesh, game by Spookily. Bro, so basically, may sabi nung isang lalaki, sabi nung isang bibili nung lalaki, may nakuha daw siyang pills sa likod ng store. Then, kinuha niya. Sa atin ba yun? Hindi ko alam eh. Tapos, yung entity na yun, nung pumunta tayo sa lugar na yun, like, may kinakain siyang tao. Tama ba? Ngayon, di ko naintindihan anong kwento nito. Yun lang, maraming salamat and I hope nag-enjoy kayo and salamat sa panonood and naway na-appreciate nyo yung short video ko na nilaro ko for today and see you sa next video. Yun lang, maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.